This is our first class on algebraic expression. So first of all, let me tell you something about algebraic expression and what exactly we are going to learn it. You know that there are English alphabets A, B, C, or any one of them, X, Y, Z, M, N, O. We will be using these letters along with numbers like 1, 2, -1, 1 by half to represent some expressions. Those are called algebraic expressions. Don't worry, these seem to be difficult, but you will find them very interesting and easy to learn as well. So the topic starts with the opening problem here. Just let me go through the opening problem. When Cassie picks strawberries, she places them into n punnets, which are small open boxes. She places 8 strawberries in each punnet, and there are 4 left over. This is something stated, and then it says things to think about. So you are required to think, how can we use symbols to write the total number of strawberries Cassie picked? In this statement, what is the total number of strawberries? How will you write that? Using symbols. And second part is, suppose that instead Cassie places m strawberries. M can be any number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, m strawberries in each punnet, and p strawberries are left over. Write an expression for the number of strawberries Cassie picked. So I will suggest you to discuss this problem. We will discuss at the end. For now you can skip it and we will move forward, and then we will come back to it again, and then it will seem to be very easy. That's why I am asking. I will come to this question after some time. Now, writing algebraic expressions, as you can see here. The symbols used when writing algebraic expressions are called variables or unknowns. We use the English alphabets A, B, C, whatever, M, N, O. So these are called variables, or also they are called unknowns. Why variables? Because their values are not fixed. That is why they are called variables, and that is why they are unknown. Kind of, they don't have the fixed value. That is why they are called unknowns also. For example, suppose there are D dogs in a kennel. The variable D represents the unknown number of dogs. D could be 4, D could be 5, D could be 9, D could be 100, anything. So that is unknown. If 2 more dogs are added to kennel, there are now D plus 2 dogs. So whatever is the number D, but if 2 more are added, the number of dogs we will represent algebraically D plus 2. This is called an algebraic expression involving D. So far I hope I am clear. During my explanation, any part which you don't understand, just mention your confusion in the comment, and I will answer to that your confusion or comment. Coming to example 1. Brent, Scott and Takisha are sharing a bag of peanuts. Suppose Brent eats B peanuts, Scott eats one less peanut than Brent, and Takisha eats 3 times as many peanuts as Brent. Write an algebraic expression for the number of peanuts eaten by Scott. Now, Brent, Scott and Takisha. Brent, Scott and Takisha are sharing a bag of peanuts. Suppose Brent eats B number of peanuts. Brent eats B number of peanuts. Then Scott eats 1 less peanut than Brent. So Scott will eat B minus 1. And Takisha eats 3 times as many peanuts as Brent. So this is B number of peanuts eaten by B. So Takisha will eat 3 times B. As you can see here, Scott eats B minus 1 peanuts. Takisha eats 3 times B peanuts. Now, based on the example that I just discussed, here is exercise 7a.1. There are 2 questions in it. That is your homework. You can answer these questions. So just go through them and then write your answers. So there are 3 more questions, question 3, 4 and 5 in the same exercise. A man is n years old. How old was he 12 years ago? Right now he is n years, so 12 years ago he was n minus 12. In the similar way, you will answer all these questions in your homework and send to me. Now comes example 2. In the fridge there are 2 peanuts with strawberries in them plus 4 strawberries left over. You can see this diagram. There are 2 peanuts filled with strawberries and 4 strawberries are left over. 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 are left over. Write an expression for the total number of strawberries if 6 strawberries have been put in each peanut. So there are 2 peanuts, 2 and 6 in each. So we will write 2 times 6. And how many are left over? 4. So 2 times 6 plus 4 will give you 16 number of strawberries. You can see here 2 times 6 plus 4, so 16. Now in question B, it says 9 strawberries have been put in each peanut. So what will be the total number of strawberries? There are 2 peanuts. Peanuts are these containers in which strawberries are put. So here 9 strawberries, 2 peanuts and 9 strawberries in each and 4 left. So it will be 2 times 9 plus 4, 18 plus 4, 22. Now in question C, there is no number, it is a letter here, S strawberries. So you just have to write 2 times S plus 4. Now you cannot write any number here because you don't know the value of S. S can change, S is unknown, S can take any value. So this is what algebraic expression is. I hope I am clear so far. So you will solve question 6 based on these. Question 7 and then answer the opening problem on page 140. That is question 8. We will come to opening problem now, and now as I told you in the beginning, we will address this question later. So I am coming to question 8 now. So here is our opening question. if two dogs, no, this is not. Here is our opening question. When Cassie picks strawberries, she places them into n punnets, which are small open boxes. If she places s strawberries in each punnet, there are n number of punnets, 8 strawberries in each, and 4 are left over. 4 are left over. So that is the algebraic expression. If you remember, how can we use symbols to write the total number of strawberries Cassie picked? That is the first answer. N times 8 plus 4. Why n times 8? Because number of punnets are 8 and there are number of punnets n number of punnets, and s is 8 strawberries in each of them. So n times 8 plus 4, and that is our answer. Suppose that instead Cassie places m strawberries in each punnet. M strawberries in each punnet. There are n punnets, m strawberries, and p strawberries are left over. So these p are left over, so we will add. The expression for this part B will be n times m plus p. I hope now this question, both the questions are clear, explanations are clear to you. So that is why I asked you to skip it for now. You will be able to solve it later. Okay. So this is next topic is rules for writing algebraic expression. There are some rules that you should know for writing these algebraic expressions. Except when confusion may arise, we leave out this sign between multiplied quantities. For example, 3 times a in algebra we write as 3a. We don't write usually this. If there is some confusion, and what kind of confusion, that I will tell you later. Usually, just remember, we have to write like this. If you have to write a times b, we don't give this sign. We simply write a b. If you have to write a times b times c, we write it as a b c. Next is, if it is a times 3 times b, then it is mixed, number and letters all are mixed. So we will first of all write the number 3, and then letters we will write in alphabetical order. It may appear in any order, but we will write here in alphabetical order. So A appears first in the alphabet, so we will write A and followed by B. So A times 3 times B can be written as 3AB. Similarly, N times M times 7 can be written as 7MN. I hope it is clear. 2 times B times A is written as 2AB. D times 3 times C is written as 3DC. So that is all in this class. In my next class, I will discuss a few more important things. Thank you very much.